Okay.
Action! Okay. This is Carolyn. I'm Jim. We're at ABL. This is week 1 of our intermediate Viennese Waltz bronze level. What we did is we started with our change of place. We did the curtsy and bow. So we're going to show you how to do that. So the change of place comes from a crossbody lead with an inside underarm turn into a side-by-side. So I'll show you that real quick. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So my left foot is free, Carolyn's right foot is free. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change places with her by doing a 1, 2, 3 turn to the left. She's going to do a 1, 2, 3 turn to the right. I'm going to go behind. Carolyn's going to take my place. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then I'm going to do it back again. 1, 2, 3. And then John, we're going to end it with a simple twinkle, and then we're just going to talk a little bit about the technique. So we have 1, 2, 3. Close those feet. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what we talked about was creating a folding position so that as I turn, I have something to absorb the power of the turn and then release it out. So we talked about folding in and then releasing. Then we did the curtsy and bow, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to have the lady free her left foot. I have my left foot, so she's going to step. So she's going to do 1, 2, 3. She's going to take that left foot bow. She does her curtsy. I do my bow. 1, 2, 3. Then she's going to step forward. 1, 2, 3. And then we're ready to dance. Okay. We also had a slight variation with that, where we are going to use our hesitation timing. So let's do that again. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I can start with a reverse turn if I so choose and go from there. We talked a little bit about a reverse turn again. We talked about how the lower body and the upper body are moving at 2 different speeds. The upper body continues to rotate as I'm finishing the rotation. 1, 2, 3, and using the upper body to continue to bring in the Viennese cross. So we'll emphasize that. We have 1, 2. Notice the upper body is rotating, which brings in the cross. Right foot is free, and then I will finish by closing. All right. Next week we're going to go over some of the other figures that we did the last 4 weeks, and then we're going to put it in amalgamation. So, nice job, everybody.